Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about AI integrated search engines. AI integrated search engines that use artificial intelligence to improve the search experience for users. What are the benefits of AI integrated search engines? There are a number of benefits to using AI integrated search engines. First, AI can be used to understand the context and nuance of natural language queries, which can lead to more accurate and relevant search results. Second, AI can be used to generate summaries and answers to complex queries, which can save users time and effort. Third, AI can be used to personalize search results based on a user's individual preferences and search history. Finally, AI can be used to recommend new content to users based on their interests and search history. Here are a few examples of AI integrated search engines. Google Search, Microsoft Bing, U.com, Perplexity AI, and Po.com are all search engines, but they have different strengths and weaknesses. 1. Google Search is the most popular search engine in the world, and it offers a wide range of features, including search results for web pages, images, videos, news, and maps. 2. Microsoft Bing is a less popular search engine, but it is still widely used. Bing offers many of the same features as Google Search, but it also has some unique features, such as its integration with Microsoft Edge and its rewards program. 3. U.com allows users to choose their own default search engine and to customize their search results. 4. Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that can answer questions in a more comprehensive and informative way than traditional search engines. Perplexity AI can also generate different creative text formats of text content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. 5. Po.com is a search engine that is designed for writers and researchers. Po.com offers a variety of features that are specifically designed for finding and using information effectively, such as its advanced search filters and its citation generator. Overall, the best search engine for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you are looking for a search engine with a wide range of features and a large index of results, then Google Search is a good option. If you are looking for a search engine that is more privacy-focused or that has unique features, such as Bing's rewards program or Perplexity AI's ability to generate different creative text formats, then you may want to consider one of the other search engines on this list. How to use AI integrated search engines. To use an AI integrated search engine, simply enter your query into the search bar and press enter. The search engine will then use AI to generate a list of results that are relevant to your query. You can then browse through the results and select the one that you're most interested in. Conclusion. AI integrated search engines are a new and exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way that we search for information. If you're looking for a more accurate, relevant, and personalized search experience, I encourage you to try using an AI integrated search engine today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about AI integrated search engines, please leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help.